Disastrous beauty. Disastrous beauty. It's disastrous beauty. It's the wig for me. It's disastrous beauty. Change up your look daily. Disastrous. It's disastrous beauty. It's the wig for me. It's disastrous beauty, baby. It's disastrous beauty. Change up. If you can't stay down, don't come around, don't holler at me. I'm living that good life, grinding day and night, recognize what you see. No time for distractions, I'm about action, don't kill my vibe, please. So if you can't stay down, don't come around, don't holler at me. If you can't stay down, don't come around, don't holler at me. I'm living that good life, grinding day and night, recognize what you see. No time for distractions, I'm about action, don't kill my vibe, please. So if you can't stay down, don't come around, don't holler at me. You think you know me, but don't know my story. You're saying things about me, but you don't know my history. Going off what you heard all up through these city streets. Yeah, my name is Tiffany, but you know me as Queen. No, I haven't got a ring, but your nigga want me. But I'm way too focused, leveled up on my journey, blocking out negativity, making dreams reality. They think I'm trying to come be, but nigga, I'm in my own league. Ain't no member, I am the team. I'm your homie's fantasy. Your homegirl's trying to work for me. My mama's so pressed, she's calling. Lost my baby last year, I had to cry my last tear. My heart broke into pieces, cause the one I trusted didn't want me near. I played the fool since high school, thinking everybody loved you. Got her over and over by the people I was close to. Every year I lost one, but it made me stronger. That's why I'm a loner. Can't trust these niggas that's on song. Can't work with everybody, everybody ain't good. I'm not that naive little girl from Green Acres Hood. I'm intelligent and relevant, life's so good. I'm trying to stay prison free and get to Hollywood. Got a smile to keep from killing, still working on my healing, getting white with my fitness, man, God is my witness. You don't want no drama with me, cause it's never ever ending. Every time you hear my songs, yeah, you know I put you in it. If you can't stay down, don't come around, don't holler at me. I'm living that good life, grinding day and night, recognize what you see. No time for distractions, I'm about action, don't kill my vibe, please. So if you can't stay down, don't come around, don't holler at me. If you can't stay down, don't come around, don't holler at me.
Okay, y'all, so I'm obviously finished styling this wig, and this is what I got. If you're interested in the details and specs and all that good stuff about this unit, then please continue to watch. Okay, y'all, so the unit that I am rocking was sent to me by WESTKISSHAIR. Shout out to you, WESTKISS, for sending me this unit and sponsoring this video. I truly do appreciate it. If you guys know me, you know I've been rocking with WESTKISS for a minute, so they are bae. Okay, so once again, shout out to you, WESTKISS. Okay, so the unit that I am rocking is their 22-inch P27/613 highlight wig with brown roots, and it's 180% density. So I'm going to go ahead and go on the site. And I do want to go ahead and mention that on the site, it looks like there is just mostly brown roots and it's not piano colored. But this unit is definitely piano colored. I think it just may be the style that the model is wearing. I don't know what it is, but it looks different to me. But I do want to go ahead and throw that out there to you guys. But it says blonde ombre wig, body wave, human hair lace front wig with dark roots. Now, it's not just a dark root unit. It is a piano colored unit. You know what I mean? As in piano, like black, white, but it's not black, white. It's done with like a brownish color. So that is something that I do want to throw out there. That is not just a unit that has brown roots and then the rest is 613. That is not the case. It is definitely more of a piano type look. So it says the brand name is WESTKISS. The hair color, it says number P27/613. Highlight lace front wig. It is a body wave. It says the hair color. It says 613 blonde hair with number 4 brown roots and number 27 honey blonde highlight. So there's actually 27, number 4, and 613 in this unit. Now it doesn't say that in the initial, like it says P27/613, but it does have brown roots, and then there's 27 and 613 mixed up. So there it is. There's the answer to my question. Now the lace is Swiss lace. It doesn't say if it's brown or not. I didn't feel like the lace was brown whatsoever. I would say it's more so of a transparent, not HD. They don't necessarily say that, if I'm not mistaken. No, I don't see anywhere where they say that, but if I had to pick, I would say that this is more of a transparent lace. I did not bleach the knots on this unit whatsoever. I literally took old girl out and put old girl on. Okay? I'm gonna just keep it a whole buck with you. That's what I did. I didn't tweeze this unit whatsoever. So everything that you see, girl, she woke up like this. Okay? She woke up like this. So just be mindful of that as well. I don't even think they mentioned whether it was a 13x4 or a 13x6. Now, I was able to go pretty far back without having to curve the part. It's still possible that it's a 13x4, but like I said, they did not specify, so I'm not 100% sure. So do with that what you want to do with that, girl. Okay, like what you see on me is what you're getting, honey. Okay, and I want to go ahead and say that, well, it may be a 613. The track starts back here. Okay, all the way down. So right here is where the track is. So you can do a pretty deep part with this unit. So I'm going to go ahead and kind of say there's a 13x6. But y'all can let me know down below what you guys think. Y'all be knowing some things better than me, honey. Okay, I'm nobody's cosmetologist, girl. So y'all let me know what you guys think down below. And as far as it shedding and tangling, I did get some shedding. It was pretty minimum. But it was after I had cut around here. So I'm not sure if it's from me cutting or if the hair just sheds. It is 613, so I expect some shedding with 613. As long as it's not excessive, then it's not a big deal to me. But I want to throw it out there so you guys know. There were no tangles with this unit whatsoever. That's not to say old girl won't do all the things at some point. Just to straight out the packaging, she's doing none of the things. And in my opinion, this unit is definitely big head friendly, okay? I did have to adjust the straps, and I still had a little more wiggle room. So it is big head friendly, so, and I do have an average cap size, so girl, do with that what you want to do with that, okay? Do with that what you want to do with that. Now we can get into my pros and cons as well as a lint check and full 360. If you are interested in those things, then please continue to watch. Okay, y'all, so you guys know I like to start with the cons because I like to end on a high note. And the only con that I could think of with this unit is that the initial picture that you see can be deceiving, okay? So if you like, just go on the site. If you didn't watch a review and you were expecting what you see on the site as the initial pictures. Now, I will say the other pictures do look a little bit more like this unit, but I do feel like it can seem like the unit is more of a unit that just has a number 4 root and then the rest is 613, but that is not the case. This is more of a highlight unit. And some people go off pictures versus reading. Honey, I do it all at this point, okay? I do it all, okay? I am going to read. I'm going to look at the picture. I am going to then go on reviews. I'm going to do it all. And that's what I would recommend you guys do for everything, because sometimes pictures can be deceiving. And you when you get it, you mad, okay? And then you got to go through the process of shipping something back. So that would be my con with this unit. Now, my pros is that I actually like the color. I think that the color is really, really different. It's not what I was initially expecting, but despite it not being what I was initially expecting, I still liked it, hence why I'm doing this review and not shipping old girl bike. Okay, I love the color. I think that the color is really, really just different. It's different from any unit that I think I own. I really like the brown, the 613. I like it all together. It is very different, and it's like underneath here is more so not highlighted, and I think that's what kind of sets it apart to me. Now, I know some people, they won't like that this part is highlighted and then the bottom is not. I like that it's different. I do. I'm just like one of those people. I also love the fact that I didn't have to bleach old girl and I did not have to tweeze old girl. Because you know your girl lazy. You know she lazy, honey. Okay, so I also like that as well. Let me know what you guys think down below. Let me know if you are feeling this sort of weird looking color. I am, but y'all know I'm a little out there. You know, I'm a little out there with the color. So I like to know what you guys think. So let me know down below. But those are my personal pros. Yes, I would personally recommend this unit just because, like I said, it's my swag, honey. Okay, it's my swag. Okay, but it's not everybody's swag. But to me, I would recommend it because I like it. I like it. Now, is it an everyday color? No, ma'am. I don't think so, honey. Okay, I think Juice would be a little funny about me wearing this to his school. But it is a look to me. Let me know what y'all think. I am interested. Would you recommend this wig? Do you think it's a look? Let me know, y'all. Sound off in the comments. Alright, y'all. So I'm going to go ahead and give you guys this full 360 and lint check so we can wrap this thing all the way up. So this is obviously the unit in the front. This is it on the left side. This is it in the back. Keep in mind, I am 5'4". And this is it on the right side. So yeah, y'all, let me know down below what you guys think. Let me know if you think it's a vibe, it's a look. Let me know if you are interested in this unit. I will have a direct link to it down below in the description box for your convenience. Once again, shout out to you, WESTKISS, for sending me this unit and sponsoring this video. I truly do appreciate it. And yeah, girl, that's all.
That's all.
So, if you like this video, give me a thumbs up. If you have any questions or feel like I may have left out, feel free to comment down below. And if you're not already subscribed, girl, click the subscribe button. It's not going to cost you not one red cent. And if you're not already following me on all my social media platforms, I am DizastrousBeauty on both IG and TikTok. I'm Healthy Misty on Snapchat, and I'm DizastrousBeauty on Twitter. And I will see you love bugs next time. Bye.
Got every style.